Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OnePlus device to OnePlus Ace freebie. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by clicking on I agree and I acknowledge available at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of OnePlus device. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of OnePlus Ace freebie. Going back to this OnePlus smartphone, use all of those categories at the top to select all of your files that you wish to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and then point it at the code. To input this key though, choose Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and connect by clicking on red Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!